Jojo Card's back with another video, man. Y'all see, we in the crib with it. But I just did this. And I'm going to get this side the same way, too. So this is just going to be a quick-ass video. It wasn't even that hard. So I'm going to just leave that right there. You feel me? I got it a little decent. So what I did was... Here, let me put this down real quick. I'm going to be looking at the door and my gun and all that shit. I know this is a different fucking setting than I usually am in. My phone's about to die. But, alright. So, what I do is first, obviously, you want to clean the surface. So, I did rub it. I am rubbing it with, like, alcohol. Just so I could clean it. That's, like, the best thing. Clean the surface. A little bit, bro. Alright. So, a little prep. Alright. Nothing really happened, but it's just cleaner than maybe, But I have these. I cut them. My friend had left them. So, I don't know if I have any other tint anywhere else, but I definitely just had these laying around. So, I figured, why not use it? You know what I mean? So, boom. And boom. So, I do it I try to go from the middle. Damn. Yeah, I gotta probably center it out more a little bit. Just so it's over there. Here we go. So yeah, I try to make a line in the middle and then go out to the sides, Get it as smooth as possible. I don't want to send y'all off too much. I ain't a professional or nothing, but in the corners, I'll lift them, and then continue. Try to do the other side the same way. You could lift up these to make it better, but yeah, like at this point I'm cool, but like I'm gonna just finick with it a little bit to get everything down. So like y'all see everything smooth, cool. And then here at this point, I'm like, fuck it. Oh, I don't even know if y'all could see anything that I was doing, but I'm sorry. I was definitely smoothing it down from the middle. So I went around, went down, up. I basically went around, Basically from the middle and then went around. But it's pretty smooth. So right now, I'm going to hit it. You see how the edges are starting to fade in. So right now I would just go back over the edges again. Now that it's like this, you see how it is. Heat it up, heat it up, heat it up, heat it up, heat it up. Not too bad, not too bad, not too shabby. Hopefully I don't mess nothing up now, but here, what I'm gonna do is I'm basically just going around the edges, trying to make sure everything's clean. And I probably will put hearts on this or something, so that's gonna be cool. So look at that. I'm probably gonna just leave all the excess on there, but yeah, see that? So right now, all right, I'm gonna reset this real quick. All right, that was going on like 5+ minutes, and it fell again, type shit when we started recording again, but it's okay. But right now, fuck, it's messing with me. Right now, I'm gonna cut this, and this is the screw. So that exposes the screw. Do the same thing on the other side. Expose that screw. It don't really matter what happens. You know what I'm saying? And then do this whole process again. Heat, 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 heat. Now that I laid everything down, you know what I'm saying? I can just heat all the edges and make sure it's stuck. Go over the middle again. But we smoked, and then I'm about to add like hearts and broken hearts later. I might do hearts on the one side and then broken hearts on the other. We're gonna see. I might do that later. See if I can find pink or red. But let me get in those holes again. Y'all see how that is? Oh my gosh, I dropped my phone again. Good little 10 minute video. But ow. Now I just go around those edges. Try to push them down. Alright, chill. Alright, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all in the flash how that mug is looking. Yo. And then we're gonna add maybe hearts to it later, but not now. But like I'm gonna just keep it clean for now and then add what add later. But stay tuned, we're gonna go install them, which should be easy. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try to do this the best of my capabilities. I don't know what y'all can see, but I'm about to put this light in. It's just a twist. Find out where it twists in. Boom, boom. And then you put the screws in. Simple as that. My bad, I dropped it, but y'all see it in there. My goodness. Y'all see how it's looking? This shit looks so glossy, bro. Like, the whole front end just look beautiful. Alright, I'm about to get the other side on. Probably the same way. Alright, y'all, we got both of them in. I think that side's sticking up more. I'm gonna like finesse it in, I think, but other than that, they are up there and stuck there. Yeah, this side right here is out. I don't know if it's cause I don't know, something messing with it, but I'm gonna have to fuck with it. So man, stand tuned. I'm gonna just show y'all the aftermath. Y'all see it doesn't look bad from right here. Alright, y'all. I don't know if I ever showed. It's lucky been a minute, but I don't know if I ever showed y'all finishing, like everything like really bolted together, put up. It's been a minute now. Like my body kit starting to scratch up and do all that funny shit. You feel me? Like yeah, it's getting all the little marks, but like it still look good. You feel me? I got this on now. So like stay tuned. Like I ain't even make a video doing that. I don't think. I did. I maybe made a TikTok, but like this was just like shits and giggles, you know. Trash bag. But yeah, this is everything on the body kit. Is bolted up, stuck. I had to make sure I finish this video. Y'all see how glossy it is. And it's been a minute. I don't know how many times I've washed it now. But yeah, I've definitely washed it like either once or twice. Like whether like off the rain, but it's actually dirty right now. Like I think last time I drove it, I got rained on, so there's like rain spots everywhere, dirt.